Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share footage from my recent Carnival Paradise cruise of both my stateroom and then of the ship's atrium, and I'm going to ride up in one of the glass elevators with my camera going. First of all, my stateroom M93 was located on the main deck in between the front and midship elevator areas. This was an ocean view stateroom and could comfortably have 2 guests in it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I go through the stateroom bathroom, and then some atrium elevator footage. And please, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Raiji's Cruise Guides YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video of my M93 stateroom tour and also the atrium glass elevator ride. I hope you found this informational and helpful. If you haven't already subscribed to Raiji's Cruise Guide, please consider subscribing. It would be great to have you along for this cruise YouTube journey, and to everyone who has already subscribed, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.